Welcome to the Incredible Years streaming platform. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to navigate our new platform, subscribe to programs, download videos for offline viewing, and make the most of your viewing experience. Once you're signed in, you have two easy ways to subscribe. You can scroll through the homepage to see the selection of programs and subscribe directly from there. Or click the Browse Programs button in the top menu and select the program you'd like to purchase. All purchases of Incredible Years programs and materials must be made through our website. If you're using the app on a phone or tablet, just open a web browser and head to our site to securely complete your order. At checkout, simply enter your credit card information for immediate access to your selected program or programs. After purchase, you will be able to view all vignettes under that program for the duration of your license under Active Programs. You can play videos from your selected program immediately.
It looks like your truck is on a hill.
In Active Programs, you'll also have the option to renew your subscription. Downloadable resources are conveniently located on each program page. Download the handouts by clicking the download icon. Want quick access to your favorite videos? Click the heart icon next to any vignette to mark it as a favorite. You can find all your favorites by going to My Favorites under your account image. Videos can be played directly from this page.
This father was patient and waited to respond according to the...
To view videos when you don't have access to the internet, use our app. Download our app on your mobile, tablet, or desktop. Once you've downloaded the app, you can browse all available programs right from the homepage, just like you would on the website. To view your selected program, go to Active Programs. If you'd like to save a video as a favorite, simply tap the heart icon. All your favorited videos will appear in the My Favorites section for easy access.
Mommy, please move all these stuff.
Oh, that was so nice asking. Thank you. All right.
To download videos for offline viewing, open the program that you'd like. Tap the download icon next to the videos you want to save. Choose your preferred video quality and then tap download. Your downloaded videos will be available under the My Download section. And that's it! You're now ready to explore, stream, download, and favorite Incredible Years content anytime, anywhere. Need help? Reach out to our support team through the Contact Us button. Thanks for watching.